In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write HTML Sendgrid newsletters, beginners. We are going to walk through the process step by step, from choosing the right Sendgrid area to saving a dynamic template you can reuse later. If you follow along carefully and pay attention to what you see on the screen, you will have a working HTML newsletter template in no time. First, select Email API. This is the section of your Sendgrid dashboard that is focused on building and managing email-related tools. You want to be sure you are in the correct area so that the template options you need are available where you expect them. Next, select Dynamic Templates. Dynamic templates are helpful because they let you design an email layout once and then reuse it, even if you plan to send different content later. For beginners, this structure makes it easier to stay organized and avoid rebuilding the same design repeatedly. After that, select Create a Dynamic Template. This tells Sendgrid that you want to start a fresh template. Take a moment to confirm you are clicking the Creation option, because that is what sets up the workspace where you will enter your HTML and build your newsletter design. Then, enter your template name. Choose a clear name that you can recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one newsletter. Naming matters because it helps you find the right template quickly when you are preparing future campaigns. Now select Create. This will generate the template and move you to the versioning and editor steps. This step is important because the template will not be editable in the way you need until it exists. Next, select Add Version. Versions let you keep track of changes over time. Even if you are starting from scratch, using versions helps you build a clean workflow so you can test or update without losing your previous setup. After that, choose Blank Page. Choosing a blank page means you will be writing your own HTML directly, rather than starting from a pre-made layout. This is perfect for learning and for building newsletters that match your exact style. Then choose Code Editor. The code editor is where you will write or paste your HTML newsletter code. This is the main step where the structure of your newsletter gets defined, so it is worth taking your time here and entering code accurately. Next, write or paste your HTML newsletter code. If you are pasting existing code, review it carefully to make sure everything looks correct. You can think of this as laying the foundation of your email. Your layout, spacing, and styling will come from this HTML, so the better your code is, the better your final email will look. Now add your text, images, links, and buttons. This step connects the design to the actual content you want your recipients to see. You should insert headings, body text, call to action buttons, and any images your newsletter needs. Also make sure your links are correct so that buttons and hyperlinks lead to the right destinations. After you have added your content, preview your email design. Previewing is the safety check that lets you catch mistakes early, such as broken images, alignment issues, or missing sections. Spend a little time reviewing how the email appears, because email clients can display content differently. Finally, select Save Template. Saving makes your work official and ensures it is available for use later when you send newsletters. It is the last step that completes the template setup, so do not skip it. And that covers everything you need to know. You now understand how to set up a dynamic template and build an HTML Sendgrid newsletter from scratch.